I can say that SAP Business One allows me to have more information in real time.
Interfer is a company business. It's a hardware and fittings business based in Lisbon. My father founded the company in 1979. Then with my mother as well, they built it into what it is today.
Interfair helps furniture manufacturers to achieve their projects and their goals and their ideas, innovative solutions in terms of hardware and fittings for the furniture industry. SAP is a very important piece of this puzzle. Centralize lots of different functions, lots of different tasks. It allows us especially to increase our productivity. SAP creates the purchase order, the invoice, the receipt, everything. FocusPoint was the push we needed to automatize lots of these things. Customers wanted to know their balance. They would call us or send us an email, and right now they just go to our websites and they check their balance. We are helping our customers be better in their business as well, to be more engaged with our solutions. The WMS is allowing us to be more proficient, more productive, and give a faster answer to our customer. We know that high value with the SAP Business One, we will have a solution. So that's a very important partnership for us. They help us not only in the implementation, but pretty much every day we are in contact with them. We started the WMS in our facilities in Porto, and right now something magical happens, which is our customer can be in our website, the purchase order arrives in SAP, SAP checks if there's stock in Porto. 2 seconds later, our guy in the warehouse gets the order in a PDA, and not 2 seconds, but maybe 20 seconds later, the order is ready. SAP suggests automatically a number of items to be bought. FocusPoint for Interfer is a partner, a valuable partner, that is allowing us to build a stronger position online. It allows Interfer to go some extra levels. Interfer wouldn't be Interfer without these partnerships.
I don't think that we even realized 5 years ago what SAP would bring us. SAP grows with us, productivity is improved. Just looking at what Interfer was 5 years ago, I can only see more improvement and growth 5 years from now.